Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing absolutely infallible today. So we're going to check out Synthetix token. We're trading at $5.61. We've spoken about this project a few times now, and I think it's one that still is seriously undervalued against its retrospective prices and what it actually does offer in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a really strong network token, and I think it's got a big future ahead. So is this potentially a good dollar cost averaging area? So let's dive into that video. Before we do, please do subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you hop into that Discord. We're like 90 people strong now, so do hop into the Discord. That'd be amazing. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys, because that really helps the channel, and it's also going to help you find and identify good strong projects, and it saves you time from having to do too much research for yourself. So we're going to look at mainly altcoins on this channel, so if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. So we can see 561 that we're trading at the moment, ranked 97 with a 1.1 billion market cap. We can see here as well the fear and greed index for Synthetix token is 55. It's neutral at the moment. So we're not greedy, we're not fearful, we're kind of just skating and sailing along, getting that sideways consolidation still in this big downtrend that we've been witnessing. So how are we going to get this pop out? Are we going to blow up? Is the price going to surge soon? Let's check it out. So Synthetix, just a bit of news. We can see that on Synthetix, the alpha release is beginning later today on L1, L2 from 3 to 5 a.m. UTC. Minting, claiming, and burning will be down for approximately 2 to 4 hours. So that's just a bit of an alert over there. We can also see there was a bit of news. Where was it? So Synthetix has partnered with DHedge.org to deploy a one-click debt mirror index token for sync stakers on mainnet Ethereum. With this tool, each staker can hedge their exposures to the debt pool directly on the dApp. So that's another really good feature for those people that are using the DeFi platforms right there. And yeah, just really bullish on Synthetix. It's a really nice project. You can see we've had a trading volume of 48 million over the last 24 hours. So we're kind of missing that volume at the moment. But if we look at the charts, 30 days we're up back 10%, 2 weeks we're up 30%. On that daily we're up 3.4%. So we're slowly climbing. We're putting through those higher lows, getting that consolidation. So this is still proven to be a big resistance level around $6.50. We were in this rising channel, but we did fall out. We got invalidated over here, but we quickly bounced to the upside as we came under that 20-day moving average. We found support at this $4.90 level, which isn't a surprise because that's a key area of support right here, this $4.90. And now we're bouncing back up. So are we potentially going to see that rise now to $6.50? Well, we can use this diagonal resistance support level right here. For instance, we are getting a bit of rollover here, so these highs are becoming lower, and it kind of looks like we're now just in this ascending triangle. So it could be in the next few days that we do break out this particular pattern, come up to that $6.50 mark, retest it, and once we retest it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, I think that's when we're going to break back through maybe to that $7.50 mark. Zooming out on that 1-day chart, you can see we're back over that 20-day moving average, which does look good. And we did break out of this diagonal resistance right here. We did put through that high, but it was just, once again, we retested the support and we got rejected. So now we've broken back through, and hopefully we can put through a higher high, because if we can put through a higher high, it's going to look extremely bullish from that point onwards. You see, we come down, we put through this high, maybe we put through a low, and then when we do finally put through this higher high, you'd hope that is the beginning of a new uptrend for this particular project, because it's been all downwards. And if we can get some upward movement now over the next few months into Q1, Q2, then it's going to look particularly bullish. I still have big targets. I think we're going to see this $10 mark in the next few weeks, maybe even months for Synthetix, if everything else continues to grow very strong. So I'm really hoping for that, guys. And this is about it on that 15-minute time frame. Again, we're just going to get more noise, and it's just putting through higher highs slowly, getting that consolidation, which we really need, that accumulation. But we do see the RSI coming up quite quickly, so hopefully we're not going to create any bearish divergence there, otherwise we might see a trend reversal to the downside. But so far looking good. If we can hold this support level, it's also looking really good. and then we'll retest that $6.06 particular area, which would be really strong for Synthetix. So that's about wrap, guys. I wanted to say thank you to the patrons. It's really awesome. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to become a patron, it is literally the price of a coffee. You'll receive one-on-one messaging, premium Discord access. You'll also get an ebook which I wrote, and people so far really loved it, and it's literally just the price for coffee. So do become a patron down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also hop into the Discord, which you can find down in the description below. See you in the Discord, and yeah, see you back on the channel. If you're new here, leave a comment down below. It'd be great to say hi. See you guys. Peace.